Have you ever imagined the freedom of driving without worrying about receiving speeding tickets? In this video, I'll show you the concealed radar laser system we completed on this BMW M4 Competition. Here is Redenzo's built-in radar system paired with AL Priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. The front of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining the speed from ahead. We fabricated housings that are outlined in green for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend into the bumper without any permanent modifications. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, our setup for the front and rear of the M4 Competition will jam all laser guns used by law enforcement. The radar antennas are mounted behind the front and rear bumpers to fabricated brackets that use existing mounting points so there are no holes drilled. The radar detector provides you with alerts when there are threats ahead and behind. The rear of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers mounted above the license plate, discreetly behind housings. The fabricated housings were CAD designed, and they eliminate the need for modifying the bumper when routing the wires. The setup provides optimal placement for the jammers to prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from the rear. The Redenzo display controller was molded into the overhead panel for a factory appearance. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you get alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can obtain your speed. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.